welcome to yet another episode of Magic Closet. मैंने तो कपड़े बहुत दिखाए आपको. How about a little bit of accessories? So here I am at Studio Moya with Rashmi Singh. Hi Rashmi.
Hi.
How are you feeling?
Good.
I always ask my...
A little nervous.
Yes, I was coming to that. Little nervous?
Yes.
Excited?
Excited and little nervous.
That's okay. So Studio Moya, आपने ये कब start किया?
Technically, I launched in 2014, like the name, brand, Facebook page, and all of that. But yeah, so for 1 year, it took us a lot of time to, working with artists is a very long journey. You have to put things in process if you want to be a brand. So technically 2014, but in the business, I would say end of 2015.
So Moya is not an English word, right?
No, it is not. So it's an Irish word. Which basically means great. So when I was thinking of a name for the brand, first I thought of it should be Indian, traditional, but then it again becomes very cliched. So I went on looking for a lot of words in French, in Spanish, in Hindi, English, Sanskrit, all of it. And then I was very clear that I want something which anybody can speak in like just blah. It's like that. It should come like that, blah.
So it's an Irish word और आपको वो वो सब चीजें नहीं चाहिए
sh, because every region in India people have some or the other. Bengalis will say kusha. Northeast if you go there is a different accent. Yes. Gujaratis have a different accent, but Moya, I don't think anybody from any region can say differently. It will always be Moya.
So Studio Moya में I saw a lot of bags, like a lot of bags which are like I really love, like big totes से लेके small pouches, आप phones रख सकते हो उसमें, key rings. आपने ये conceptualize कैसे किया था फिर?
Yeah, so when I started there was nothing in my head कि bags ही बनाना है, accessories ही बनाना है. So I was working with this cluster in Andhra. So this craft is called shadow puppetry, leather puppetry, Tholu Boimlata in their language. So it's a 200-year-old craft. So they are like shadow puppets and they narrate stories from Ramayana and Mahabharata. So in the night, these holes that you see, it glows like jewels.
Oh.
So I was working with this cluster because they traditionally used to make lamps with the same craft. But they were not very well finished and in terms of design and all. So I used to conduct workshops for them basically. So that's when I thought that it has a lot of scope. There's a lot that can be done. So leather bags, hand painted bags, I've seen a lot. But this was something, a craft which was so much of painting. So the more you add perspective to a craft, it becomes more sustainable. And that's how I started. The first project that came was horrible. I can't even, it would be somewhere lying.
Oh, you still have it?
Yeah, that's my masterpiece. How can I throw it? The painting also is to rub off. Then we found a leather lacquer finish. So we do all that varnish. Then we did a lot of setting on the machines. Then a lot of combinations, permutations we did. For about 6 months we were just struggling. And then also finding the bag masters who would make this was another challenge, because the traditional bag makers don't want to do, because this takes more time and it's more difficult to stitch basically, needs more finesse. So it was an experience altogether, and that is what I want the customers to feel. You don't just buy a product, you experience it. There is a lot of story in every product that we make.
So what kind of clients come to you?
So it's mostly I would say it's a very mix of crowds. I like I always say, I don't restrict them with age. It's a taste, and taste sometimes comes to some people who are still in their 20s, and sometimes it comes in your 30s, 40s, 50s. It can come whenever. They know the story of the product. It's not just a beautiful bag. It's they would be interested. Whoever buys, they ask about the craft. They know about the craft, and that's why they carry it. So I would say it's I do not cater to people who would carry a Louis Vuitton or Michael Kors bag, because I feel people who carry those bags, they want to be known for the brand that they are carrying.
Yes.
So,
and what's the range of your accessories?
It starts from 300, little accessories like key rings, card cases and all of that, and goes up to about 20,000.
Okay, so ये जो I just saw the leather piece and I'm really interested कि ये कैसे बनता है, कैसे how your artisans will paint
Yeah.
it. Yeah, so we can go and see that.
Yeah, definitely. We can go and
Chaliए,
have a
then
look.
I
It is
will have
done.
to show my viewers how the bags are made.
We have artworks made, and all of these artworks have certain codes which are available with our artisans, and then this is given to them and they copy it onto the leather. So first he would clean the leather and then he'll start drawing. Yeah, so now the black and white artwork is done. Now he'll start filling up the colors. So once the coloring is finished, he'll start punching the holes. After the holes are done, we put a varnish on it to keep the surface protected, so that if at all there is a scratch or water falls in, the surface remains protected. After the varnishing, then it goes on the stitching table, and that's how the bag is made into.
So हमें तो मज़ा आ गया, the beautiful colors that we saw, and I can't wait to see the bags, and I can't wait to show you guys the bags. So let's get started.
So this first one that I want to show it's called the laptop tote, and we call it that way because it's a very nice bag to carry to work. It's like a 9 to 9 bag. You can easily carry this to work, then you can go off to a party.
Okay, so I
yeah,
can
if you
ये
see,
laptop ये है. Oh, it's so
laptop
नरम.
is safe. All our linings are like high quality cotton linings. So these are all basically shirt fabrics which we pick up for our linings. So this comes with a long strap as well. You keep your laptop, your files. There is
यहाँ पे
a
we have another hidden
zipper
chamber.
pocket. So basically you can carry your world around in this, and your phone and all you can just keep here for easy access. And there is a back zipper also if you want to keep some ready cash or little things that you may want.
And there's something different that I saw are these जो जमीन पे टच ना हो.
Yes, and touch now, and it will keep it very sturdy. If you keep
Yeah.
it on the floor, on your desk, or wherever, it will just stand. Or we have a very, very interesting shape. We've done a lot of user trial testing, and then we came.
Which matches
So-
perfectly with your dress.
Yes, yeah. So
Look at
this
it.
we call it as a round sling. So basically, would you like to carry and show how?
Yeah, I will.
So I'll just show you. So basically, this bag hangs upside down, and we have these safe pockets, zipper pockets, and a buttoned pocket here, so that your things don't fall. when you
And
carry.
आप ये देख सकते हो, ये पूरा नहीं है. It's like just one
And
thing.
this, if you see, there is no stitch. We call it a magic braid. This is from the collection called Curio Town. So we've taken inspiration from vintage, motifs and graphics, cars, and old vintage
And what is
gramophones.
this? Oh yeah.
So very different interpretations of those same objects. I would say a Madhubanized interpretation.
तो ये हमें दिखा एक राउंड बैग. What else do we have? I know you have a lot of
Yeah,
stuff.
I have a lot of shapes and I love all of them. But yeah. So next is this
Oh,
fringe bag.
so summery.
So yeah, so it's like a nice crossbody sling. You know, the bohemian trend is very in, so you can carry it with a hand painted touch. This again comes with all the essential details that we always have in our bags. We have a partition, a zipper pocket, 2 slip-in pockets. So this is good for an evening out, or just
Or
going
maybe
out.
when you are going to like a Goa
Vacation, yeah, of course.
It's like so Goa. And the best thing that I loved about the bags is कि अंदर जो है ना कपड़ा वो काला कपड़ा नहीं है.
Yes, Kala, and the feel is cotton,
Yeah,
because
so-
I used to hate it that I used to get goosebumps with that synthetic lining inside. It's very ugly.
Okay, so आपके पास कोई क्लच टाइप है जो इवनिंग में हम यूज कर सकते हैं?
We have a lot of it, but this, so this is like a slim clutch.
Okay.
So we have 3 slots for your cards to go in. It's just the right size for the cards. You can slip in your phone, your keys, and some cash.
It's
Very
in,
nice for an evening.
So what are the price range?
So something like this is 1800. So which is very, 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 very competitive compared to a leather hand painted product. So we've made sure that we do not overcharge, and at the same time we give you a very exclusive product.
So and how about this one?
This is 4200. So everything, each of these fringes, they are not machine cut. Every piece is hand cut.
And I can see यहाँ
This is
पे,
obviously hand
peacock आप
painted. Yeah.
देख सकते हो. जो यहाँ पे इट्स हैंड पेंटेड और समझ भी आ रहा है बिकॉज आप इसका जो फिनिश है आप देख सकते हो. सो लाइक हैंड ड्रॉन, वेरी प्रिटी. हाउ अबाउट दिस?
This is 3000.
Evening wear,
Yeah, so
like
this
for coffee.
This I would say is not a very something which is user friendly. This is something very unique which you don't want to flaunt, I would say, or you want just the focus on the bag.
On the bag,
carry
yes.
this.
And ये जो बड़े जो totes हैं यहाँ पे, how
So
are
these totes are 5500. These ones are the laptop ones 5750. So up to 6 is what is the range for the bags. If we customize, depending, like a lot of people say that we want extra pockets or we want a little different details in the bag. So customization charges apply. But yeah, more or less it comes to within 665.
तो एक बैग अगर कोई like if I wear carry a bag every day, कितना दिन चलेगा, कितने साल चलेगा?
It ages with time. So leather, people who carry leather often, they know that leather has a certain character. It does, fine wrinkles would come, and this leather, nothing would happen. In terms of the artwork and all, a little bit of, depending on how roughly you use it and all, it would probably, a little bit of scratches might come if you are using it very roughly. But clutches and all, nothing happens. You can just use it for your lifetime.
Oh my god.
This we call a moon clutch. So because of the half moon shape.
This is a shape that I actually have not seen.
Yeah, so all our shapes have something or the other little different from what you find in the market.
ये जब मैंने देखा ना, suddenly मुझे ऐसा लगा कि it's like a dhaba and a truck and truck ke piche kitna it's so beautifully they
bright,
painted.
yeah.
It's something like that, and I can see these two small. Look at that! How cute is this?
Yeah, so these are mobile cases. So like I've always said, it's all our products are made keeping the user in mind. So mostly we need a mobile pouch when we are going for a walk or buy something, some quick movement. Otherwise you always have your bigger bags where you would keep your mobile. So it comes with a adjustable strap, and then we have pockets at the back where you can keep your card, your house key, or anything that is there, because mostly they are so compact that you can't keep anything other than your phone. So that's why we made this pocket. You can
Iska bhi inner lining is so
yes, all of them are
amazing.
cotton. Yes.
And how much are these for?
These are again between 1150 to 1400.
Thank you very much, Rashmi, for letting us do this shoot here. It was amazing.
Absolutely a pleasure.
Thank you so much. So yes, you can come to Studio Moya, or else you can just log into their website and buy the stuff. If you really like this show, please give a thumbs up, like, share, comment, subscribe, and keep watching Magic Closet. Goodbye.